Hi, I'm going to audition for Mark, and my mom is going to play the part of Sam. Okay.
Welcome to Hannibal, Missouri. My name is Samuel Clemens.
What? Your name is Renee Thomas.
Quiet, I know my name is Renee, but for this play, my name is Samuel Clemens.
Well, if you're Mr. Clemens, what's my name?
Mark Twain.
How can that be? I thought Mark Twain was the pen name for Samuel Clemens.
That's true.
Then how come you're Samuel and I'm Mark?
Don't ask me. I didn't write this play. I'm just the narrator.
And who am I?
My assistant, now be quiet. Anyway, as I was saying, my name is Samuel Clemens, but you can call me Sam.
Sam? Did Mr. Clemens ever call himself Sam?
I don't know. Would you please be quiet? These folks did not come to hear us argue over if Samuel Clemens went by Sam or not.
I think they should know the truth about.
As I was saying, this is the story of Tom Sawyer. Tom was what many would call a problem child.
Where in the book does it say that?
It doesn't. I'm trying to set the stage for these kind and quiet people that Tom is not the average kid. Now, may I continue?
I guess.
The play is set in the 1800s. This is Aunt Polly's house. It's here that Tom was raised with his cousin Mary and his half-brother Sidney.
Sidney?
Yes, Sidney, or just sit. Tom was always looking for things to do, and one of those things was not W-O-R-K.
Work?
Congratulations, you can spell. It's at this time that I must warn you that things don't always happen like they should.
So that's the dialogue on page 6. Okay.